Susan Niczowski from Summer Fresh is back with some great Super Bowl snack ideas. You've got a big party this weekend.
We do. Our annual family get-together.
It's a big event, isn't it?
It is. I thought that, it's just going to be a small family gathering, and then my nieces, who are 18 and 20, they're like, Auntie, are we actually having a party? Yeah, don't you want to go drinking with your friends? They're like, no, we want to be with you. So I'll be cooking all day. All fun.
Yeah.
So what I'm going to be doing is monkey bread. So old is new again. You take biscuit dough that comes in a tin. You cut it up in 4, which is simple.
And you're going to love this stuff. And you'll find the recipe at Summer Fresh. We'll link up your website at chch.com.
Yeah, summerfresh.com. Then you roll the dough. And for TV, I'm just going to expedite everything. Put it in a bowl.
The fast TV version.
Yeah, exactly.
In real time, how long does it take?
Oh, 10 minutes. You take Summer Fresh dip.
Yeah, and that dip looks unbelievable.
Yeah, all-time favorite, the spinach, which you have to have at Super Bowl.
You're going to have to make a big one this Sunday because that's going to draw a big crowd.
Oh, for sure. You take a little bit of bruschetta.
Yeah.
Now for this, it's on our site. So one package to one package in one package. You marinate it, mix it. Put it into your butt pan.
Yeah.
Bake it in the oven for 25 minutes at 350.
Okay.
And you've got this great
monkey
bread. And then all you do is put it on a board, flip it.
Yeah.
And you got this great dip. And then you can top it with jalapeno peppers if you want. Put your dip.
Can I help you with that? Okay,
please.
sure. Just throw them in?
Yep, perfect. Yep. And then you can toss with some cheddar cheese. Really simple and easy.
So I want to start pulling it apart now, and I guess we got to wait and finish this thing.
Oh my God, it's so yummy.
Oh, it looks incredible.
All-time favorite.
Yeah.
And then another oldie are meatballs. You can't have a Super Bowl party without meatballs.
Seriously, can I wreck this, or
you
got plans for this?
No,
okay.
Please, it's yours. Isn't it yummy? Dip.
I know. Yeah.
Dip. We got turkey meatballs. Instead of using breadcrumbs, we're using hemp hearts. So you take 1 pound of turkey. Isn't it yummy? We choking there? You good? 1 container of the Summer Fresh artichoke Asiago dip.
Yeah.
A little bit of parsley. Mix it all up.
Yeah. And make meatballs. So you're using hemp.
Yeah, using hemp instead of breadcrumbs.
This will be a Woody Harrelson favorite for Super Bowl.
We won't go there. Yeah, roll them into little balls. And I do want to...
It'll take forever to get the gloves on.
Yeah, okay, so
I made all these.
Yeah, roll the dough, roll it into the hemp hearts, bake at 350 for about 25 minutes. Yeah. And voila, add your favorite dip and it's great.
Okay.
And then the
Can I try one of those?
Please do. And then at Metro this week, there is a great offer. If you buy any Summer Fresh dip, the 227 gram, you get a free bag of potato chips. And who doesn't love the irresistible potato chips for free?
And who doesn't love value?
Exactly.
You actually started making dips because you're a huge chip fan like me.
Oh my God, I love potato chips, and there wasn't a great dip out in the marketplace, and I just couldn't resist. One dip after another, and we've got over 80 different types of dips and hummus that are fresh and all natural.
Actually, I noticed you've got some new products. You've got white and black bean hummus.
We do. We've got white bean, black bean hummus, great to entertain for Super Bowl this weekend. They're healthy, they're all natural, and available in the refrigerated deli section.
Yeah, fantastic. And these guys right here.
Chicken wings. You can't have a Super Bowl party without chicken wings. So what we've done is kind of added a little flair to it. You can add all sorts of guck if you want. We added jalapeno peppers, and then you can dip it with any one of your favorite hummus or dips.
Wow, looks amazing. All kinds of great Super Bowl fun ideas.
And these are fun too. I mean, just make a little cone, and you can put your potato chips in, so you can dip away.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah.
Yeah. What dip was that?
Our spinach dip.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Can I try?
Yeah,
okay.
Absolutely. All-time favorite.
Oh yeah.
Isn't that great? Fun, crunchy.
I could eat my weight in these things.
Oh, the Irresistibles are fantastic.
They are irresistible, hence the name.
Available at Metro. Enjoy for the weekend.
Thank you, Susan. Happy Super Bowl. We'll link up your Summer Fresh website at chch.com.
Thank you. Gonna catch it?
Everybody says, say something, say something.